In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create work orders in QuickBooks Online using estimates. We're going to walk through how to turn a standard estimate into a professional-looking work order that you can send to your team or your customers. This is really helpful if your business does jobs, projects, or service calls, and you want a clear document that outlines what needs to be done without setting up a whole new workflow. First, we'll customize the estimate form so it functions as a work order. In QuickBooks Online, start by going to the gear icon, which is your settings menu. From there, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where you control how your invoices, estimates, and other forms look and behave. Next, click on New Style and select Estimate. This tells QuickBooks you want to create a new version of your estimate form, which will repurpose as a work order. Once the form editor opens, go to the Content tab. This is where you can adjust the different sections of your form. Click on the header section at the top of the form. In that area, you'll see the form name, which is set to Estimate by default. Change that text from Estimate to Work Order. This simple change tells anyone who receives it that this document is a work order, even though it's still technically an estimate in QuickBooks. When you're happy with the name and any other basic tweaks you've made, click Done to save your new style. You've now created a reusable work order template based on the estimate form. Next, let's create a work order using that new template. From anywhere in QuickBooks Online, click the plus icon, the small plus sign at the top. Under the Customer section, choose Estimate. This opens a new estimate form, which will turn into a work order. Select your customer and set the appropriate date for the job. Then, fill in the job details, the services you'll provide, the quantities, and the rates. Be as specific as you need so your technicians or team members know exactly what needs to be done. Before saving, go to the Customize option at the bottom or top of the form and select the new work order template you just created. This applies your work order styling to this estimate. Finally, click Save and Send if you want to email it directly, or Save and Close if you're just keeping it on file or printing it later.